So this is our third angle proof, and I'm going to do this one the longer way that might be more obvious to you. So we are given that angle 1 and angle 2 are a linear pair, and we are given that angle 1 plus angle 3 equals 180. And even if we weren't given this statement, we would have been able to assume that from our picture, since 1 and 2 form a line. So starting with our given statements, and technically they should have had the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 3 on this instead of angle 1 plus angle 3. So I fixed that here. So with this information, we have that angle 1 and angle 2 are a linear pair, and that 1 and 3 add up to 180, meaning that they are supplementary. So what we should do is we should look at our given statements, and we should follow up with what we should do next. So if I know that 1 and 2 are a linear pair, then I know that 1 plus 2 equals 180, or the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 180. And that is by the supplement theorem, because linear pairs are supplementary and they add up to 180 degrees. So now I have two separate equations that both equal 180. So I can take and I can set them equal to each other by substitution. And once I have this, I have that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 3. So the measure of angle 1 is going to be the same because it's the same angle in both places. So I can just subtract the measure of angle 1 from both sides, and by subtraction I'm left with the measure of angle 2 equals the measure of angle 3. But I don't want the measure of angle 2 equaling the measure of angle 3. I want 2 to be congruent to 3. So I now have to say that angle 2 is congruent to angle 3 by the definition of congruence, because anytime I go from equality to congruence, or from congruence to equality, I use the definition of congruence. Now, this proof also could have been done using the congruent supplement theorem, and if you want to give that a shot, you're more than welcome to. I think I will still do one of those for you yet.